Uy, ay babe. Bakit gising ka pa? Alas 9 na. Sorry, medyo natagalan ako. Nagpainom kasi si Alfred eh. And, ayun, medyo nagstay kami ng konti. So, ayun lang ako nakauwi. Kamusta? Kumain ka na ba? Wait, babe? Okay ka lang ba? Ba't di mo ako pinapansin? Babe? Hello? Nakikita mo ba ako? Hey, look at me naman, love. Ay, ayaw magpa-kiss? Baby naman. I'm sorry kung late ako nakauwi. Well, nalobat ako and I didn't have any charger. Hindi na rin ako nakapag-update sa'yo kasi nag-chat naman ako sa'yo na birthday nga ng tropa and baka makapag-inuman kami. Hindi ka galit about sa pag-iinom ko? Saan? Ba't di mo ko pinapansin? Ba't nakasimangot ka? Ba't ganyan ka makatingin? You saw that video sa stories ng workmates ko? What exact video? Okay. Ay, nag-high five ako sa pinsan ng tropa ko. Okay. Well, babe, that was just a high five and besides, bahay nila yun. Doon kasi nag-celebrate si Alfred ng birthday niya. So, di ba? Tinasubukan ko lang naman makisama. Siselos ka, no? Babe naman. Alam naman ng alam naman nilang lahat. Alam ng buong circle na I'm in a relationship. I'm in a healthy, strong relationship with you. Tsaka, hindi ko gusto yun, no? Nagkakasiyahan lang kami kanina kasi we were playing Uno and yeah, may mga tawanan. Siyempre, may natatalo. And guess what? Siyempre, nanalo ako. Baby, ito naman. Selos agad. That was just a high five. Okay. What if I kiss na lang kita ngayon? Can I kiss you? Ayaw mo nga magpahalik eh. Tinatry kitang halikan, ayaw mo naman. Wow. Baby, hindi ka naman dapat magselos doon. Kasi, hindi ko naman gusto yun. Baby, there's no way in the world that I'm gonna replace you with someone else. Nasa diamante na ako. Lilipat pa ba ako sa bato? Well, if you want, you can check my phone. You know the password, right? Anniversary natin. You can check my laptop. You can check all the apps na ginagamit ko. You can check all my social media accounts. Hindi mo lang ginagawa kasi sabi mo natatakot ka, baka may mabasa ka. Well, baby, kahit i-check mo pa yan, I'm pretty confident na wala kang kabulastugang mababasa dyan. Because I'm loyal to you. Ikaw lang mahal ko. Okay? And I'm not flirting with anyone. That was just an innocent high five, I'm telling you. Okay? Bati na ba tayo? Baby naman. I'm sorry, hindi ako nakapag-update. Promise, na-lowbat talaga yung phone ko. Ay, nako, yung mahal ko. Napakahigpit. At ang hilig-hilig magselos kahit na hindi naman dapat pagselosan. But, you know what? I understand. Kasi, syempre, masyado kang in love sa akin. Natatakot ka na baka maagaw ako. Ari! Joke lang. Ito naman. I was just kidding, baby. Pinapangiti lang kita. Ito naman. Well, yeah, that's valid, of course, baby. Valid naman yung feelings mo. Pero, I promise, at hindi ako magsasawang magbigay sa'yo ng assurance na wala kang dapat ikaselos doon, okay? Hmm? Baby, you're so tight with me. But you know what? I actually like it. Kasi ibig sabihin nun, sobrang mahal mo ako na ayaw mo na mapunta ako sa iba. Diba? Siyempre ako rin naman. Ayoko rin naman na mapunta ka sa iba because gusto ko, sa akin ka lang. And of course, ako'y sa'yo lang. Smile na. Baby, sige na. Tignan mo naman ako. Please. I know, may tampo ka. Kasi, probably minsan feeling mo, hindi mo ako ma-reach out kapag kasama ko yung mga kaibigan ko. And, I'm sorry. Low ba talaga ako kanina? Lagi naman ako nag-update, di ba? It just so happened talaga na hindi ko dala yung charger ko and pasensya na. Well, gusto mo pakilala kita sa kanila? Of course. Ikaw lang naman yung ayos sumama eh. Di ba? Well, sige, next time. Kapag nagkaroon kami ng gathering ulit and then kasama nila yung mga partners nila, I want you to be there. Kung gusto mo rin. Okay? Para makita nila kung gaano ko kaswerte sa'yo. Ay, nako. Pati na tayo, please. Baby. Pati na tayo. Come here naman. Buka dito. Tabihan mo ako. Can I kiss you ba? Pwede ba kitang i-kiss? Ayaw pa rin? Maybe, I know. I understand. Hindi naman sa ina-invalidate ko yung feelings mo. That's valid, baby. I'm sorry you were disappointed kasi hindi ako nag-update, hindi ko sinabi kung anong oras ako makakauwi, and nakita mo pa na may pinost yung isa kong katrabaho na nagkakasiyahan kami. I'm sorry. Pasensya na. I'm sorry kung nagkulang ako sa part na yun. And now you're being so tight. You're being so strict and you're disappointed. And if I were in your shoes naman, I will understand. Pero I promise to do better. Please forgive me, okay? Please, bati na tayo. Tsaka, rest assured, baby, that was just a high five, promise. Yeah, magkatabi kami. We were having fun, but that doesn't mean anything. Because whatever happens, you're my partner. You're my soulmate. Ikaw yung tao na naiintindihan ako kahit hindi ako nagsasalita. Kahit minsan hindi ko na maintindihan yung sarili ko. And yet you're still there. You still choose to understand me. Ikaw yung tao na nagbibigay ng kulay sa madidilim kong araw, di ba? Ang cheesy, no? Pero that's you. You're the love of my life. And I will never replace you with someone else. Kahit sino pa yan, ikaw lang gusto ko. Okay? Please. I'm sorry. I promise you, baby. Every time that I'm out with the boys, hindi ako lumalapit sa ibang tao. Hindi ako tumitingin sa iba. Yes, of course, may ibang nakikita. Siyempre, may mata ako eh. But that doesn't mean anything, baby. Hindi ako nagpapanggap na wala akong partner. And I always tell them na they cannot tease me with someone else because they know for a fact na I am in a relationship. Diba? Lagi kong kinikwento sa kanila yan. And may iba nga akong friends, diba, na mutuals na rin natin sa social media. So, they know that I'm in a relationship. And I hope that will give you an assurance na kahit na hindi tayo magkasama, you're still the one in my heart. Kasi ikaw lang yung mahal ko eh. Hmm? Well, I understand why you're jealous and why you're being like this. And all jokes aside, if I were to be serious, this actually kind of makes me proud and happy because you're being strict with me, you're being so tight with me, and you're showing you care for me, and it makes me happy, baby. And in all seriousness, I feel the same way rin naman eh. Nagsiselos din naman ako kapag nakikita ko may ibang lalaki kang kasama. But I always remind myself na I'm the only one na mahal mo, and you always prove it naman sa akin na ako lang talaga yung mahal mo, and for that I'm very thankful. Remember nung una tayong nag-usap ng seryoso? Sabi mo sa akin na ayaw mong magtiwala ulit kasi lagi kang iniiwan or niloloko. And I promised to you that night na hindi kita bibiguin. Ipapakita ko sa'yo na meron pa ring mga tao na handang ibigay ang lahat para sa'yo. And even up until now, pinapanindigan ko yun. I never keep secrets from you. Kahit na maliit na bagay, kahit mga corning nararamdaman ko, anything, I share them with you. Big wins, small wins, big thoughts, small plans, everything. Because I want you to feel na you're part of my life and you're part of my plans. You know, my accounts, my password, sa phone, sa laptop. You know those things. Because I want to be transparent. Tsaka, ba't ako kailangan magtago, di ba? I'm saying these things because I want to give you an assurance na you're part of me now. You're a big part of my life. Lahat ng plano, lahat ng mga pangarap, I want you to be there. Sana mapatawad mo pa ako. I love you so much, baby. And whatever it is that you feel, I'm more than willing to do everything just to prove to you na wala kang dapat ikaselos. I know you were disappointed. I'm sorry. But that was just nothing, to be honest. Because you're the one that I really love. You're the only one in my heart. You're the first person na tinatawagan ko pag may bago ako natutunan, di ba? Ikaw yung una kong iniisip pag nakakakita ako ng mga bagay na baka magustuhan mo. And ikaw yung dahilan bakit sinusubukan kong maging mas disiplinado sa pera para mabili natin yung mga bagay na kailangan at gusto natin. Ikaw rin yung dahilan kung bakit ako nagpapakapagod sa trabaho para mabigay ko yung buhay na deserve mo, deserve natin. And it's all because I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. I hope you feel that, and I hope you believe that as well. Baby, I really want you to feel safe with me. And I want you to know na kahit anong mangyari, hindi kita iiwan. Hindi kita ipagpapalit sa kahit ano o kahit na sino. Ikaw lang yung partner ko. Ngayon, bukas, and habang buhay. Diba? Pag nanunuyo ako, nagiging corny ako. I know, but I'm willing to be corny just for you to forgive me. Just to give you an assurance. If it needs for me to be corny, para lang makapagbigay ng peace of mind sa'yo, I'm willing to do it 1,000 times. Because I don't want you to overthink. I don't want you to be confused about how I feel towards you. Because I'm really sure about you, baby. Hmm? I know, most of the time, you ask me kung mahal pa ba kita kahit na maging ipis ka. Well, those questions are kind of silly, but yeah, of course. Ikaw na yan eh. Ay, naku, ay, mahal ko. Cute-cute mo lalo kapag nagsiselos. Ayan, bati na ba tayo? I missed you so much. Ilang oras pa lang tayo hindi nagkita. Sobrang na-miss kita. Ako? Lasing? Hindi ha. I must admit, nakainom ako siguro mga three bottles, pero I'm not in any way drunk. No. I'm pretty aware of what I'm saying. Kahit i-reiterate ko pa to lahat kinabukasan, maalala ko talaga to. Baby, look at me. I want you to look at me when I say this. I love you more than words can ever express. Okay? I love you more than rain on a hot summer day. I love you more than the stars in the sky. I love you more than anything and everything that this world could offer. At hindi na yun magbabago. Whatever happens. At kahit anong dumating sa buhay natin, kahit gaano pa kahirap ang daan at tahakin natin, I will still choose you over and over again, okay? Wait. Look. Alam ko na magpapangiti sa'yo. Before I forget, I brought something. Look, oh. Yung favorite mong keychain na may design na panda. Nakita ko sa isang maliit na stall sa daanan habang pauwi ako, and I remember na paborito mo yung panda. So, I hope that you will like this. Kasing cute mo yung panda, oh. Look, oh. Lalo na pag nakasimangot ka. Cute mo. But, hold on. Hindi lang yan. Alam ko hindi ka pa kumakain. And I'm not actually sure kung kumain ka na or hindi. Pero just in case, you still have space in your stomach for another meal, I brought your favorite sinigang na baboy. There you go. Of course, galing to kay Aling Bebang. Doon tayo una nag-date. Doon mo ako sinagot. So, this is our favorite, right? So, ano baby? Gusto mo bang kumain? Kasi kung kakain ka, sasabayan kita. Kumain na ba ako? Yeah, kumain ako ng konti. May mga chips, nachos, and some other snacks kanina, but I still have space kung kakain ka. Of course, I wanna eat you. I wanna eat with you. Ayan, with kasi, ito naman. So, okay. Sure. Gusto mo kumain? Yeah, of course. I'll just go for a quick shower. Mabilis lang, promise. Give me 3 to 5 minutes. And then, I'll set up the table para makakain na tayo. Ikaw na magpe-prepare ng table. Okay. I love you and thank you. Okay, baby. I'll just go for a quick shower, okay? I love you. Mwah.